Dear students, welcome to online live class 5 English version. This is your Kamrul sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today again we will discuss chapter 6. In the previous class, we discussed the basic conception of chapter 6. Now, today we will solve two creative questions on chapter 6. Now, dear students, we can start. Dear students, you can see that already I have written one creative question in your math book, page number 61. Again I said page number 61, you will get this creative question. Now look, Mr. Habib kept 1/4% of his property for himself and divided the rest of the property equally between his two children. This is our step. Now by using this information we have to give the answer of ABC. Now what is our question number A? A said that what portion was the rest of the property after Mr. Habib kept his property for himself. Now look, he kept 1/4%. Now after if he kept his 1/4% for himself, then what will be the rest of the property? That means two children got the remaining part. We have to find it. B number, what portion of the property did each child get? Look, there are two children and each child will get, they are distributed equally. So if there are 10 taka suppose, so each child they will get 5 taka, 5 taka. Clear? Because it is equally. That means we have to divide by 2. Two children, so we have to divide it by 2. And C number said that is Mr. Afif has property of 2 lakh taka. How much will each child get? Then how much money will each child get? We have to find that. So this is our 3 question. Now dear students, so we can start at first problem number A. Dear students, we know the whole things, whole property, that means how many portion? 1%. Whole part indicate 1%. So here the whole property of Mr. Habib, we can say it will be 1%. And among 1%, he kept 1/4% for himself. And the remaining one, he distributed to his two children equally. So question number A said that we have to find what is the rest of the property. That means after keeping 1/4% for himself, what will be the remaining portion? This is our question number A. So dear students, now we can write we know whole property equal 1%. You can say we know or you can say let, no problem. We know whole property means 1%. This is the whole. Now he kept 1/4%. He kept 1/4%. Now we have to find the what was the rest of the property. The rest of the property. So we can say the rest of the property. The rest of the property. So we need to clear? Good. We need to subtract. Now it will be 1 minus 1/4%. So it will be the rest property. 1, this is the whole property, and 1/4, this is the our keep portion. So it will be our rest portion. Now how we can at first take the LCM? So it will be 4. Now 1 divided by 4, this is 4. So 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 divided by 4, that means 1. 1 1 ja 1%. Now it will be 3/4%. So we can say that the rest of the portion is 3/4%. Rest of the portion is 3/4%. So our answer 3/4%. So this is our rest of the portion. Now this rest of the portion will be divided, distributed between two children equally. So we can say two children got 3 by 4 portion. So each child, that means one children, each child they will get 3 by 4 divided by 2. Clear? Okay. So B number, we can go B number. B number said that according to the question, so we can write B number according to the question. According to the question, we can say that two children got 3 by 4 portion of his property. We can write, or two children got 3 by 4 portion. Now we have to find the each child, that means 1. So one child got 3 by 4 divided by 2. Why? Because if two children got 3 by 4 portion, so one child it will be less, so we have to divide. Now we know the division sign, it will be multiplication and it will be reciprocal. 2 we can write as a 2 by 1, so it will be 1 by 2. Clear? Very good. Now there is no minimize, because we have to minimize numerator and denominator, up and down. So when there is no minimization, then we have to multiply up and up, that means numerator, denominator. 3 1 ja 3, 4 2 ja 8 portion. So we can say each child got 3 by 8 portion. Each child got 3 by 8 portion of his property. Now C number said that if Mr. Habib has property of 2 lakh taka, now how much will each child get? So we know each child get 3 by 8 portion. So by using the portion, we have to find the amount of, we have to convert this is now as a taka, how much money. Clear? So dear student, we can write C number look, C number said that given Mr. Habib has ₹2 lakh taka. Therefore, each child so we can say each child will get 3 by 8. This is the portion of each child. 3 by 8 of 2 lakh taka. Now if we divided 2 lakh by 8, now it will be 2 times, then will be our, now we can write it. Now 2 times 16, now this is 4, now this is 0, 40, this is 5 times, now 40, and remaining 1 2 3 0. So now read 1 2 3. So it will be 2500, 25,000. Now if we multiply, this will be 75,000 taka. So our answer 75,000 taka. Clear, dear students? 75,000. So very simple. Now dear student, in your page number 61 also you will get another math, a pole related math. Now dear students, we will solve this math. Now look, in page number 61 also you will get another math. 1 by 6 portion of a pool is in mud. 1 by 2 portion is in water, and the remaining portion is in above water. The length of the pool of above water is 2 meter. Dear students, suppose this is our information, page number 61. Now we can make a creative question. Suppose number A, what is the total portion in mud and water? B number, we can say that what is the portion of above water? What is the portion of above water? C number, what is the length of the pool? C number, we can say what is the length of the pool. Another one we can write, what is the length of the pool in mud and water separately. Okay, now dear students, look, a number question said that what is the total portion in mud and water? That means we have to add. So we can write total portion in mud and water. So it will be 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 portion. Now dear students, 6 and 2, they are LCM 6. Now 6 divided by 6, answer 1. 1 1 ja 1. 2 divided by 6, 3. 3 1 ja 3. So it will be 4 by 6 portion. Now look, 4 by 6, we can minimize by 2. So we have to minimize. Remember, if the fraction is minimizable, you have to minimize, must be. So now it will be 2 and it will be 3. If we divide it by 2, so it will be 2 and it will be 3. So it will be 2 by 3 portion. So our answer of A is 2 by 3 portion. Now B number said that what is the portion of the above water? And dear students, we know the whole bamboo, the whole pole, there is pole. Sometimes question said that this is a bamboo. Anything you can say, it is a tree, no problem. Now B number, we know whole pole equal 1 portion. Now from A we get 2 by 3 portion is mud and water total, and the remaining portion, it will be above water. So we have to find the above water. So it will be, that means the portion in above water, it will be 1 minus 2 by 3 portion. Now if we take the LCM, it will be 3. Now divided 3 1 ja 3 minus 2 portion. Now it will be 1 by 3 portion. So we can say 1 by 3 portion. This is the above water. Now C number, what is the length of the pool? That means total length. Now look, the length of the pool in above water is 2 meter. That means 1 by 3 portion. This 1 by 3 portion, it will be indicate 2 meter. So by using this information, we will get the total length. Now we can go to our problem number C. So C number we can write according to the question. According to the question, we can say the length of 1 by 3 portion, suppose of pole. We can erase this one. Pole is 2 meter, because 1 by 3 portion, this is the above water, and 2 meter, this is also the length of above water. So 1 by 3 portion and 2 meter, they are same thing. So we can say the length of 1 by 3 portion of pole is 2 meter. Therefore the length of one portion, that means whole, total, so it will be more. So we can say 2 divided 1 by 3. It will be 2 divided 1 by 3 meter. Now if we multiply this one, it will be reciprocal. So 3 by 1. Now 2 3 ja 6 meter. So our answer 6 meter. So we can say the length of the pole, this is 6 meter. Now D number said that what is the length of the pole in mud and water separately. So we can say the length of pole in mud, it will be 1 by 6 of 6 meter. So if we divide, it will be 1 meter. So the length of the pole in mud, it will be 1 meter. Now the length of the pole in water. So the length of the pole in water, the length of the pole in water, so it will be 1 by 2 of 6 meter. So if we divide, 3 meter. So our answer 3 meter and 1 meter. Clear, dear student? Very simple. At first you have to thinking what is the our question, what is our demand, then just think, you will solve math. So dear students, now I try to solve exercise 6A and 6B. Every time remember that practice is the more important things for mathematics. So solve again and again, then you will get more effectiveness in your mathematics. Dear students, you know, in the next month first week we take another exam, online test 2, and this syllabus chapter 5, 11, 12. Clear? So dear students, it will be best if we in the next class if we revise chapter 12, because chapter 11 already we solved. So in the next class we will discuss chapter 12. Then obviously we will go to the, this is chapter 6, then this is chapter 7, but at first we need to complete our exam syllabus. So next class we will discuss chapter 12. Thank you dear students. No more today.